Morning YouTubers, how are we doing? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how one person can move and set up a cement mixer on their own. Let's go. So using a cement mixer on your own can be a challenge if you don't know a few little tricks. They're really heavy, they're quite cumbersome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get cement mixers in and out of your car, van, whatever it is, and also how to stand them up and put them down on your own. So cement mixers come in 4 parts. You have 2 legs, the main body, and it is somewhere a stem. So obviously the legs are fairly easy to carry because they're detachable, but then the hard bit comes when you're trying to move the cement mixer. Now you can see the cement mixer is lying on its back, and there's a reason for that, because on my own I can quite easily, holding this handle, lift it up, slide it forward on the handles that will just slide nicely, and then once I get to the handles, get to about here, I can pivot it down onto the floor without hitting the bumper, and then I can wheel it off. So that's what I'm going to show you now. Now obviously, if you want to put the cement mixer back in your car, then it works in exactly the same way, just in reverse. So I'll show you that now. Like so. So as you can see, it's quite easy for one person to get the cement mixer in and out of their car or vehicle in this way. So the first thing to do is decide where you're going to put your cement mixer. So I'm putting mine right next to my stand, and then the first job you need to do is put the legs together. Now they interlock like that, and then you get your bar, which depending on where you're renting it from, some have these safety catches and some don't, and it goes long ways in like that, and then the safety bolt goes back through to stop that coming out. Now you've got the hard part of tilting the mixer up. You want to make sure that you're at this end and you push and you tilt on the feet until it stands up. Okay, I'll just show you. Now obviously when you're finished with it, you're going to need to take it down, and it works in exactly the same way. You tilt the cement mixer forward as far as it will go, as if you were emptying it, like that, and then you pull it down towards yourself, being really careful. you have it. You can put up and down and get your cement mixer from A to B all on your own. Now you can do it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. All that other stuff, like it, I think that's good for me. And if you've got any comments of what you want to see, put them below. If you want me to teach you how to do anything or show you how to do anything, make sure you put them in the comments, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Peace.